So your teachers are here with you, the finest of the teachers. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Shukr Alhamdulillah, I would rather be saying that you have got the best English language teachers in the entire KPK teaching you. You have got a team of the finest management staff in the entire KPK. I challenge it, Alhamdulillah, and we will be able to live that. So don't miss these opportunities. You are lucky people. You are very lucky people. وَتُعِزُّ مَنْ تَشَاءُ. So the time that you have, the respect that you are blessed with, and the kind of people you are under the supervision of. Stay happy and stay blessed. Thank you so much. Take a great care of yourself. Do you know what is the date today?
Yes, sir. Yes.
What is the date? 25th of December. What happened on this date? It is the birthday of? It is the birthday of your leader, right? It was 1947. Back. We all know the date, we all know the history, we know every single thing, right? It was 14th of August 1947 when Pakistan, the Islamic Republic of Pakistan, came into being. Now, when this country came into being, at that time, Quaid-e-Azam was asked that what do you want this country to look like, and what do you want the people of the country to look like? He came up very simply. He said that I want to see three things. Number one, unity. Number two, faith. And number three, discipline. Simply, when he said these things, what did he mean? He meant a couple of things. He meant a couple of expectations. He meant a couple of ideas. He meant a couple of dreams. He meant a couple of expectations that could be lived by the people living in this country in both hard and fast, in both thicks and thins, and in every kind of situation. जब ये मुल्क वजूद में आया था, Muslims, they were going through definitely the hardest times. They were going through one of the most difficult times. They were going through a kind of times when it was full of poverty, when it was full of disturbance. We did not have any lands, we did not have any finances, we had nothing. But still, there was one thing that was invested. And what that investment was, those investment were three things. Number one, number two, and number three. Today it is the date of birth of that very person who first of all came up with the idea of having a kind of nation that will be filled up, welled up, stuffed up with these three things. The unity, the faith, and the discipline. The great people nowadays, they talk about these things. When you go outside on the roads, you will be able to see that, it is written, but let's ask it ourselves. Not in the social lives, not in the academic lives, not in the business lives. Let's ask it personally. Let's ask it from each other. And let's ask it from the people. Currently, Pakistan is a stable country. Currently, Pakistan is the stable of prosperous people, where the ideas of people are so great that we can make millions of dollars in less than a month. But still the question arises that do we have that unity? Do we have that faith? And do we have that kind of passion, the discipline, about which Allama Iqbal said, नील के साहिल से लेकर ताब खाके काशगर एक हो मुस्लिम हरम की पासबानी के लिए. Who said this thing? Allama Iqbal. Couple of days back, I came across a post, and it was really a visionary post. It said that think like Iqbal and act like Qaid-e-Azam. Why did he say like this? What did that post mean? The vision has already been invested. The missions have already been invested. The concepts have already been invested, and so many things have already been invested. The only thing that right now we need to do is to go ahead with that kind of stuff which is called as discovery, which is called as exploration. You will be coming across different things. You will be coming across new valleys. You will be coming across so many things that is unknown to people. Keep on searching, keep on finding, keep on traveling, keep on moving. The only thing that is required right now that we all need to have, that is the exact amount of passion and the exact amount of time invested in. तुम लोग आज इस्लामाबाद की तरफ आए. You people came to Islamabad just for the tour. I don't know how many of you knew that this is the date of birth of the father of nation. That this is the date of birth of the person who really was the kind of person who wanted a separate state for the people of this country. Despite the fact there were so many disturbances, despite the fact there were so many things that were making the ways difficult, despite the fact there were so many things that was, not letting Pakistan come into being, but still the fight went on, the struggle went on, the advocacy went on, the judgment went on, the greatness went on, people started coming, great people started joining. Mahatma Gandhi. Have you heard his name? Yes. His name was Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi, the legend from India. He says that if Qaid-e-Azam was not a part of Pakistan, Pakistan could not have come into being. There was no possibility that could make Pakistan. Qaid-e-Azam replied against that. And he said that there is no possibility on earth that can undo Pakistan. Pakistan ne banna tha, Pakistan bana. Read the history of Qaid-e-Azam. There is a lot of fabricated history that you will be able to find out. There is a lot of fabricated history that you will be able to read. But out of lots of fabrications, there is a lot of truth. It always depends upon your propositions. What do you want to understand? What do you want to learn? What do you want to improve? So right now, Pakistan is again in the need of such people who could be reducing and removing the disturbances and can lead the nation towards a kind of destiny for which it was made. It can start leading it towards a kind of vision towards to which it was made. No problem if we are learning the Western thoughts. No problem if we are learning from the Greek mythologies. No problem we are taking the ideas from the foreigners. It's really very important that how are we taking the ideas and how are we making it. It is really very important what our students are currently doing and how those students are moving forward. It is really very important what are we teaching our kids and how will we be leading them in the future. You people. Currently what I can see you is that you people are the future of this country and you people are future of this nation. Currently you are learning English only, you are improving your English only, but the problem is that are you able to generate your ideas or not? When you came on the tour, so on this tour, were you able to make some kind of specifications or not? Were you able to make the kind of realities or not? What did you learn from today's tour? What did you learn from the previous 3 to 4 lectures? What did you learn from the rest of the stuff? The question here arises is, it is not what did you learn, it is important that how are you going to implement it in your lives? How are you going to be learning it into your lives? And what kind of dream do you want to have for this country? Let's stop thinking socially. Let's stop thinking cumulatively. Let's stop thinking as a whole. Let's start thinking personally. So this is what a simple what I wanted to say, what I wanted to deliver, and what I wanted to share with you people. And this is something that I want to let you people know, that right now we are in the need of the kind of people who could bring difference, who could bring uniqueness, who could bring the real level of achievement that can be made, that can make, and that will make this country great again. Right now, if you look at Asia, in the Asia, all the countries, they are looking at Pakistan only. Their eyes are at Pakistan, and Pakistan is destined to become the tiger of Asia. Pakistan is going to become a kind of country that will be leading the rest of the countries. Recently, what happened at OIC, you just saw that the respect that the world has given to Pakistan, that is the best. What is happening in our neighboring countries, we are looking at that. And we'll be able to help them sooner. But right now, what is our youth disturbed in? What our people are disturbed in? What do they want to do? This is really very important. So try your level best, buddies. You people are the youth, and you people are the real investment of this country. You people are the real backbone of this country. You are the kind of people who will be making this country great again. And it is not just found in the speeches, right? It is not just found in the debates. It is not just found in, like coming onto the stage and delivering some kind of energetic lectures and delivering some kind of great things. It is not like that. Practical world is required. The mobile phone that you have right now in your hands, yes, take that mobile phone out and see what difference can you do. You're sitting in the class listening to the teacher's lecture. When you're listening to the teacher's lecture, so try to understand what problems can you reduce, what tensions can you reduce, what greatness can you implement, what greatness can you enact. This is how you'll be able to be great again and make great again. English is just a language. Presentation skills, communication skills, these are just a couple of skills. You will learn it quicker than later. But the thing that I want to ask from you is, what are you going to do after that? What are you going to do after learning English? What are you going to be doing right after completing your communication skills, your idea generation skills, the skills of generating propositions, the way of generating concepts? Keep on thinking, keep on learning, keep on improving. Inshallah, you are going to be the best version of yourself. Promise it with yourself. The upcoming year, 2022, is going to be the best year of your life. It is going to be the finest year of your life. It is going to be the great year of your life. Learn from the histories of the great people. Learn from the histories of the fantastic people. There are two types of people found in this world. Number one, who discuss about people. Second, who discuss about ideas. Be the second one. Stop discussing people, and if you are discussing people, then start discussing about the great people. Start talking about the people who are in the histories, rather than thinking that what my cousin did yesterday is not important. What Al-Biruni did 300 years ago, that is important. What the general counselor of my area did is not important. What Nelson Mandela did 60 to 70 years ago, that is important. If you're talking about people, then talk about great people. And if you are talking about ideas, stop thinking that, will I go to the school tomorrow or not? Start thinking, what will I do after completing my school? Great people, they think about the future. Average people think about the present. And normal people, they keep on thinking about the past. So your teachers are here with you, the finest of the teachers. Alhamdulillah, Alhamdulillah, Shukr Alhamdulillah, I would rather be saying that you have got the best English language teachers in the entire KPK teaching you. You have got a team of the finest management staff in the entire KPK. I challenge it, Alhamdulillah, and we will be able to live that. So don't miss these opportunities. You are lucky people. You are very lucky people. وَتُعِزُّ مَن تَشَاءُ. So the time that you have, the respect that you are blessed with, and the kind of people you are under the supervision of. Stay happy and stay blessed. Thank you so much. Take a great care of yourself.